The Warriors will be shorthanded when they kick off the NBA Finals on Thursday night. On Wednesday, Golden State announced that forward Andre Iguodala will miss Game 1 of the Finals as he continues to recover from a bone bruise to his left leg. The team says Iguodala is making progress but is still experiencing pain and inflammation in the leg around his knee. Iguodala missed the last 4 games of the Western Conference Finals against the Rockets after suffering the injury earlier in the series. The loss could be costly for Golden State as Iguodala was the 2015 Finals MVP, where he averaged 16 points and 5 rebounds while guarding LeBron James in the series win over the Cavs. The team says the forward will be reevaluated for Game 2 Sunday night.